Alec Peirce at the ranch. Beautiful day here at the ranch, and this is another one of our ranch toys episodes. You've seen my spud gun, and you've seen my steam engines, and you've seen other stuff we play with here at the ranch, and they're all a whole lot of fun. This is one of my favorite ranch toys though. Yeah, and you know, a lot of people have one of these ranch toys, but this is Alec Peirce. This is my ranch toy. I'll tell you, there's nothing like a bulldozer. I'll tell you, if you have never driven a bulldozer, it's very easy to drive a bulldozer. Diana does it. Very easy to drive. They forward, reverse, left and right. The easiest thing in the world. And I'll tell you, you have not had fun until you've driven a bulldozer. Do I need to explain to you that a bulldozer goes anywhere? Like anywhere. I've told my grandsons, like, if you fall off the bulldozer, yell, because I got to jump on it before it knocks the house out of the way. And that's exactly what happens with my grandsons. My two oldest grandsons anyway. My youngest grandson's only 3, so he can't drive the bulldozer until next year. But my 2 older grandsons, 9, 10, 11, 12, now they're 15, 20, they'd come up here and spend a week with Grandpa at the ranch, and it wouldn't be very long before they'd be saying, "Grandpa, can we take the bulldozer out?" And I put them out in the middle of a 25-acre field. Get them on the bulldozer, turn it on and say, "Go have fun." The bulldozer doesn't go very fast, you see. So I can go inside and probably have lunch, a little nap, and come out and they're at the edge of the field. Anyway, it's a whole lot of fun. And I'll tell you, the smile on the face of a 10-year-old boy or girl when they're driving a bulldozer, unbelievable. Watch the smile on the face of a 75-year-old. Okay, here we go, guys. You ready, Kevin? See if it starts. There we go, okay. Watch the leg, Kevin. Little waggle. Where's good? Okay. Right here. We'll put it into 3. A little bit of speed. There we go! Whoa! Look out, Kevin! Alec's coming through. There you go. There's a ranch toy. Yes, indeedy. I'll tell you, I have no use for this. Well, that's not true. We actually use it occasionally to flatten things out. But don't tell Diana, I don't need this thing. But I want it. There's nothing better than a bulldozer. Alec Peirce at the ranch. Sorry guys, I gotta go. I'm gonna go play with my ranch toy. Bye-bye.